The easier AI becomes to use, the lesser your brain tries to think. A few years ago, if you couldn't solve a difficult question, you would have to try every other ways. Now you can type the question, that's it. See, I am not saying that getting help in studies is bad, but it's bad when it can replace your thinking process. Imagine you have world's biggest library that has every book, but instead of reading, you ask someone else to summarize the book. You'd know many facts, but very few ideas would truly belong to you. I'd say AI is convenient and saves time, but in exchange, it takes away experiences. When was the last time you stuck on a school assignment, or you wanted to write something on your computer? How much did you try before opening that black and white app? 5 minutes? 1 minute? Or didn't you even try? You may think that it's not a big deal, and it's not, because it's a bigger deal. A student uses AI to finish the assignment. It had better structure and grammar, and the assignment is finished in 10 minutes. It feels like a win. But weeks later, during an exam, he realized it was a loss. It's a bit like using an elevator every day. You still reach the top floor, but your legs never become stronger. Now zoom out and think that every generation had a tool that changed how people lived. The calculator changed math. GPS changed navigation. Search engines changed memory. But AI feels different, because it doesn't just do tasks. It can imitate thinking, and even sound like a friend. And this can create an illusion. Imagine looking into a perfectly still lake. Eventually, you stop noticing whether you're seeing the water or your own reflection. AI can become that lake. So, should we stop using it completely? No, I use AI too. In fact, the voice you're hearing right now is an AI voice. Not because I wanted to sound futuristic, but because I'm mute. AI gave me something I couldn't create alone. A voice. It helps me bring my thoughts into the world, and for that, I'm genuinely grateful. That's why this video isn't against AI. Tools are rarely the problem. The question is whether they remain tools or quietly become replacements. There's a difference between using AI to express your thoughts and using to make your thoughts. Maybe the real value of thinking was never reaching the answer, but maybe it was becoming the kind of person who we can find during finding the answer. AI can save us hours, but it should never save us from ourselves, because the most important conversations you'll ever have won't happen with a machine. They'll happen in the silence, before you ask it anything at all.